Officers, thank God you people are here. One olórí burúkú young man dipped his hand inside my vehicle and took my wallet away.
Then, oh, I say in this country, if we can encourage grooming young boys like that to undertake the issue of
Officer, he's running away. He's going to run out of the world with my wallet. These people should
follow. Baba, don't worry.
I will die with you here.
Police can take it.
The federal government is in charge.
Yeah, in charge. Baba, don't worry.
You want to send me to my early grave,
don't
idiot.
Worry, Baba, don't worry. Baba, you can go.
Thank you, thank you. I don't have naira here. I will settle you people. Thank you very much.